So our video is for ET342, Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition. This is for our lab final. My name is Joe Jaworski.
I'm James McTrusty.
And our third partner, his name is Jake Grief, who couldn't be here at this time. And we built our project. It's just a visually appealing project in IGSS. So we showed for SCADA what a control operator would see if they were working at utility. Our first main screen would open up and show the transformer and the subcontrols and just the distribution network and the transmission network. You can go to the second page to continue on to the distribution network, which would show like your businesses and houses, or you can go back to the transmission network and see the power plant where all the power would be created and generated at. So you can go in the transformer and you have a window open up and it'll show all of your internal data, which your SCADA network would import and collect if this was a real running system. You can see you have voltage in, voltage out, current in, current out, and your power distributed outside your transformer. And you can open up a window as the tap changer. The tap changer controls and monitors the voltage. So you can change the tap. You can go up to 16 or down to -16, and each tap would control your voltage, increasing voltage or decreasing voltage, and you can change your mode to go to manual to create up and down on the tap, or you can go back to exit this window out and you go to auto and just set your to be auto. And you go to sub controls and you can see both your breakers, and we can monitor our ground relays, reclosers, and breaker controls. And we just added two control relays, the SAL 3530, which is a RTAC, which monitors its real-time automation control, and then just your standard 351, just a monitoring relay. And we have both breakers are set up the same. And you can click that window, go to the transmission network. We have our power plant, again, breakers. You can see power generated and power transmitted in our system. And see breaker 2471 and 2473. We also added some fault indicators. You should open up, and each fault indicator will detect a fault on each given phase, so A phase, B phase, and C phase. If you have a fault, the indicator will give you an alarm and say which phase it was on or which phases it was on. And here we're in our distribution network for our business. You can see the meter, the bill period, monthly energy use, and total energy use over the lifetime of the meter. So it's kind of like an AMI system where you can monitor not locally but on the master control station, and also the same for the house. And that's all.